WildBrain!
People are always asking me, can you dig it? And I'm always like, what do you think I do every day? I scoop up the dirt. I am maybe not a lot of dirt this time, but that's fine. I raise it up super high. And then when I find the perfect place, I drop it back down. It's so much fun. Sometimes we compete to see who can drop the most dirt. I'm gonna break the record pretty soon. Phew! This might be the big one. It's pretty heavy. Oh, I'm dropping so much. Oh! Where do I put it? How? Oh! Phew! Wow, that was awesome! Did you see that? That was awesome! I gotta try that again! Nice big scoop of dirt. Move it over gently. Move it up gently. And woohoo! Wow! That was so much! Did you see it? I almost rolled back down the hill. Thankfully, I have these awesome tracks on my wheels, so I never slip. Well, almost never. I think I'm really starting to get the hang of this stuff. We lift, we turn, we drop. Easy as pie. Still not close to the record, though. I just want to beat it. This could be it.
Pretty close, though.
Pretty close, though. Phew! I'm getting tired. Working out in the hot sun all day. I just love digging so much. No, wasn't enough. Gosh, what am I going to do? Wait, this one feels extra heavy. Phew. Almost there. Just a bit more. Yeah! And that's not all. Woohoo! A double drop. That was awesome. I can't believe it. I finally broke the record. So much dirt. That was amazing.
That was incredible.
Did you see, Gary? Did you? I broke the record. Oh, Gary.
Did you see?
Did you?
Gary.
Did you see, Gary?
Gary.
Did you?
Gary, did you see?
Nah, sorry. Been too busy digging my own way, you know? I'm sure it was a lot, though, man. Sorry. Oh, nobody's ever gonna believe me. I'm just driving in my truck looking for the bad guys. I'm the sheriff in this town. Nobody hiding around these parts. Let's check around here. Nope, nobody there. It's all safe. The sun is shining. I'm in my patrol car. Nobody here. Let's check out this park. The backhoe's safe. Seems the park is clear too. Let's just go around this bend. Keep my eye out for anything suspicious. No, wait. Nope. There's nothing around here. Still all good. Gotta protect these machines. Last few bends. There's nothing around here. Just me and my engine. Going to check out this tree line and see if anybody is lurking around here. No, it seems that we are all good. I've done a great job today. Gotta keep it safe. Thanks for coming with me, guys. The building site is home to a number of mega machines. Picking up, moving, and digging, their role is very important. But every now and then, they get sick, and they need help. And that's when the robots come in, to make them better and save the day.
What a lovely day outside in the sun. Oh God, having problems. Oh no, there's a lot of problems. This is not good. I'm gonna need some help, gosh darn it.
Let's go help him.
Okay, let's go.
What a lovely day.
getting worse, guys. Guys, please help me. Please help me. Oh no, there's smoke.
Don't worry, we are coming. Time to lay down some speed.
Such a lovely day.
Which way is it? I'm lost. Jenny, which way is it?
I don't know.
Gosh dang it, which way is it?
Where are we going? Is it this way?
You ready?
No, I'm stuck. Give me some time. Please wait. Wait for me, please. Oh no. I'm getting there. Give me some time. Yep, I'm coming. I can see you. I'm on my way.
Let's do this. He needs our help. Let's get there.
Yep, I'm right behind you.
Guys, it's still very broken. I can't do anything.
Don't worry, we're nearly there. Nearly there.
Just behind you, buddy.
Guys, where are you guys? Thanks, guys. Thanks for fixing me up. I really appreciate it. Remember to say hello to security team from me. Have a nice day, guys.